In this video, we will learn how to create a URL for an employee to be able to log that employee in a quick manner. So once logged into the system, you'll click on View. Hover over Settings, and click Employees. In the drop-down, you will select the employee you want to create. The URL login for. In this example, we will choose Demo CFO. Once we select the employee, we will click on Edit. This will bring up the settings for this employee. It is important to have a valid email address and for this employee. That allows the employee to click on the Forgot Password button to reset their password or change their password. You will need to set a default password to prevent unauthorized access into your system. In this example, we will choose ABC123. We'll need to confirm the password, ABC123. Now we have to generate the URL login. To do that, we click on the Create Regenerate button. This will bring up the creation of the URL login. A random key number 1 and a random key number 2 has been created. You'll click the Use Generated Key 1 and 2 above. When I click that button, we will see the URL login has been created. It is critical to understand this checkbox here beside Require User's Password. If this is checked, when this URL is navigated to, it will require this password to gain access to the system. If this is not selected or unchecked, when a person goes to this URL, they will not need a password and will immediately be logged in as this employee. It's critical to have this selected for security purposes. So once we have verified the email, created a default password for this employee, generated the URL login, ensured that this checkbox beside Require User's Password is selected, we will click on Save. Now we can copy this URL and send that to this employee. And they will be able to go to this URL, type in the password that you created for them, and they will be logged into the system. At any time, if you want to revoke the ability for this person to log in, to revoke this URL login, you will click on the Create, Regenerate, and select Clear Generated Key and disable the URL login. We will see that this is now empty, and we will choose Save. To regenerate for this employee, the email's there. We want to verify the password, so we'll do ABC123. We will create the keys. Here's the URL. We verified that Require User Password is selected, and we will save the information. Now we will send this URL to the employee, and they'll be able to log in. This is what it will look like. We'll see that they go straight to the login screen, and they have to type in the password that you put in, and you can see that they're immediately logged into the system. So that's how to create the URL login for an employee.